everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to awaken your English mind and start learning fast? Today, we're going to show you how to rewire your brain and make English a natural part of your day. Let's go.
Hello, Liam. Can I ask you something before I start my Saturday?
Of course. And I think this is the perfect moment to ask.
Is my English awake yet?
Your English can wake up every day when you give it a little attention and a little space to grow.
What do you mean by giving it space to grow?
I mean allowing English to become part of your morning, instead of treating it like a task.
Wow. So English does not always have to feel like studying?
Not at all. Language grows best when it becomes part of daily life.
Why do so many learners feel tired when they think about English?
Many learners connect English with pressure instead of connection.
Interesting. And what should we connect it with instead?
We should connect it with curiosity, enjoyment, and simple moments.
Can a few minutes really make a difference?
Yes, because small moments repeated consistently create lasting progress.
Why do people think they need to do more and more every day?
Because they often confuse being busy with making progress.
Interesting. So progress can be quiet.
Yes, and sometimes the most powerful learning happens very quietly.
What does quiet learning look like?
It looks like noticing words, listening carefully, and speaking naturally.
I think simplicity is often more powerful than complexity.
See the room, the light, the sounds, and the atmosphere around you, and simply talk about them in English, because this creates natural opportunities to practice.
Can you give me an example?
You can simply say that the sun is coming through the window.
That sounds easy.
It should feel easy, because natural language begins with simple ideas.
What else could I say?
You could notice that your coffee smells good.
I usually notice that immediately.
Then you already have something meaningful to talk about.
Interesting. And what is another example?
You could say that the room feels quiet this morning.
So I just describe what I notice.
Sure, and that activates English in a natural way.
Why does that work so well?
You are connecting language to real experiences.
Wow, that sounds different from memorizing things.
It is different, because you are living the language instead of collecting it.
Living the language sounds wonderful.
It creates a much deeper connection with English.
What happens when I do this regularly?
Your mind begins recognizing English as part of everyday life.
Is that when English starts feeling more natural?
Yes, because familiarity creates comfort.
Why is comfort important?
A relaxed mind learns more effectively.
Does stress slow learning down?
Stress often makes learning feel harder than it needs to be.
So, relaxing actually helps?
It certainly does.
What should I do after observing my surroundings?
Slow down your thoughts for a few minutes, because mornings are often filled with mental noise.
What kind of noise?
Thoughts about responsibilities, schedules, and plans.
That sounds familiar.
Most people experience it every day. Ask yourself simple questions.
What kind of questions?
Ask yourself how you feel today. Simple questions often create meaningful reflections.
What is another good question?
Ask yourself what you are grateful for today, because it encourages calm and awareness.
Interesting. And another question?
Ask yourself what would make today a good day. It helps you focus on positive possibilities.
Do I need perfect answers?
Not at all, because there are no perfect answers.
So the goal is simply to create space for English.
Yes, because language needs room to breathe.
What happens when English becomes part of my morning?
It starts feeling more natural throughout the rest of the day.
Why is the morning so important?
Because mornings often influence the tone of the entire day.
Interesting. So a few minutes can shape everything that follows?
They certainly can.
What if I only have 5 minutes?
5 intentional minutes can still be very valuable.
And what should I do during those 5 minutes?
Observe, reflect, and express simple thoughts.
That sounds manageable.
Learning should feel manageable.
What mindset should I have during this process?
Approach English with curiosity, because curiosity keeps your attention active.
Does curiosity help adults too?
Absolutely, because learning never stops benefiting from curiosity.
How can I become more curious?
Start noticing things that interest you in English, useful phrases, and natural conversations.
What happens when I notice those things?
Your brain begins paying more attention to patterns. And patterns are one of the foundations of language learning.
How can I trust the process more?
Focus on showing up consistently, rather than chasing immediate results.
What if I miss a day?
Then simply continue the next day, without guilt.
What is the biggest thing I should remember this morning?
Remember that your English does not need perfection to grow.
And what does it need?
It needs attention, curiosity, and gentle daily practice.
Wow, that sounds much simpler than I expected.
Sometimes the simplest ideas create the biggest changes.
So my English can wake up through small daily moments?
Sure. Every observation, every reflection, and every sentence helps your English mind come alive.
Is that how this journey begins?
Yes. One thought, one sentence, and one moment at a time.
What else should I keep in mind?
You do not need to learn hundreds of new words today.
Then what do I truly need to focus on?
You only need to awaken your English mind, one moment at a time.
How can I begin doing that right now?
Take a deep breath, look around you, and describe what you notice.
Can such a simple action really make a difference?
Yes, because every sentence creates another connection between you and the language.
What final message would you like to leave with everyone listening today?
Remember that fluency is not built in one big moment, but in thousands of small moments. So be patient, stay curious, enjoy the journey, and trust that your English mind is waking up a little more every single day.
And what should we do next after awakening our English mind?
Once your English mind is awake, the next step is discovering where your English really is today.
That sounds interesting.
In our next video, we'll challenge your listening, vocabulary, and speaking skills to help you discover your real English level.
So we are going to test our English level together?
Sure. And the results might surprise you. So make sure you join us in the next lesson.
I can't wait for that.
See you there.
Bye.